Welcome to our channel. A consistent pre-shot routine is crucial for playing your best golf under any conditions. Follow these steps to develop a routine that works. Step 1. Begin behind the ball, surveying the entire shot. Identify your target line, consider wind direction, and visualize the ball flight you want to produce. This mental preparation primes your body for the upcoming shot. Step 2. Choose your club and commit to your target. Indecision leads to tentative swings and poor results. Once you've selected your club, trust your choice and focus on execution. Step 3. Take a practice swing that rehearses the actual shot you're about to hit. If you're hitting a fade, practice a fade swing. Make your rehearsal as realistic as possible. Step 4. Approach the ball from behind, walking along your target line. This reinforces your aim and helps align your body properly. Step 5. Set up to the ball with your feet, hips, and shoulders parallel to your target line. Take one final look at your target, then return your eyes to the ball. Step 6. Initiate your swing within 3 seconds of your last look. Waiting too long allows tension and negative thoughts to creep in. Keep your routine flowing and rhythmic. Step 7. Accept the result and move forward. Whether good or bad, dwelling on past shots disrupts your focus and affects future performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.